This is SecurityIng model LEF-SG0 LED flashlight. It's made of 6061T aluminum alloy, and under the description it is a 700 lumens flashlight using Cree XM-L2 LED. The light can reach up to 150 meters. This has 5 modes. Once you turn it on, just keep pressing the button halfway. It will cycle through high, medium, low, strobe, and SOS. SOS is just like strobe, but it runs on a slower pace. It's a simple, straightforward flashlight without zoom or focusing ring. It runs on 3.7 volts, 18650 rechargeable battery, which is not included in the box. A fully charged battery can run up to 1 hour in high mode. It's made in China. So this is a strong, powerful flashlight, and as you can see there on the wall, it's like it's burning a hole. The only thing, it doesn't have a focusing ring, no zoom, so you don't have much control with the light.